Hi, my name is Mike Baraki, Fire Chief in the City of Suffolk. FDIC 2023 is just around the corner. April of 23, I'll be doing a pre-conference workshop at FDIC called Point-to-Point Decision Making for Fire Service Leaders. What we're going to do in this workshop is take excerpts from the book that I've written for fire engineering books and videos, and we'll be going over how to make decisions from one point, the point that we either engage a situation, the point for which the bells ring, the point of arrival. How do we progress? But not just progress because we have policies, procedures, safety initiatives. What we're going to do is how to progress on the fire ground and the emergency services scene in a manner that allows you to succeed. What are your decision-making points? What items, actions, thoughts, ideas, wisdom, knowledge, training, what do you need to make those decisions so that your incident goes from what we say chaotic, a lot of decisions in a very short period of time to success. So again, Mike Baraki here, April 2023, FDIC 2023. Can't wait to see you. See you soon.